Hi, I'm Erika and you probably know what we're doing. So, I have this wooden box to fill anything that reminds me of my childhood. So, let's get started. It's done now. So, quit yapping, girl. So, first, I'm gonna put this. By the way, you're gonna be asking, why do you need this? Why do you need this? So today, guys, why do I doing this? This is my childhood toy, just gift, and it was lost million years ago, not million. And just by the way, guys, and it was found. It was found because our house are renovating, so proud. First thing we're gonna do, and by the way, I'm gonna give that to my future niece. Her, why not? So I'm gonna put this cheesy love letter from my sister-in-law and my brother because they have already get it 1 month. So I'm opening this with my future niece, so she will know that their his parent or she's parent is cringe. So putting that into my list, and also before you bash me, I know I'm already cringe. So stop. Okay, the second one I put in this headband. I don't know, but just don't care. I'm just gonna put it by the way. And secondly, I'm gonna put this because it have memory from the Girl Scout. I usually do, so I'm putting that away. And this my favorite perfume, and they're actually really work. So there are 4 pieces of them. Okay. And before we forgot, and this letter from my future self, and this is so important, girl, right into the middle. And yeah, my book, and it's already done. So see you guys into the next video.